Spalling concrete is a frustrating problem, showing up as flaking, chipping, or even large chunks breaking away. It happens when water penetrates the surface, rebar corrodes, or freeze-thaw cycles create pressure that pushes the top layer loose. There are a few common solutions. Small patches can restore isolated areas. On walls or basement foundations, repairs often involve cutting back to solid concrete, cleaning the rebar, and rebuilding the surface. For driveways, sidewalks, or patios, resurfacing is usually the best way to restore strength, create a safe finish, and protect the surface moving forward. The issue is that traditional patches and overlays often treat the symptom, not the cause. Without a barrier to stop moisture, spalling usually comes back. That's where Semco Micro Cement stands out. It does both, repair and prevention. Micro Cement bonds directly to the concrete, creating a durable, seamless finish that hides cracks, chips, and rough spots. At the same time, it forms a protective barrier against water, stopping the cycle of damage before it can start again. Whether you're fixing light surface flaking, deeper spalls, or just want long-term protection, Semco Micro Cement delivers a complete solution. It repairs the damage you see, prevents future problems, and leaves you with a clean, modern finish designed to last.